This is question 22 of civil engineering paper of GATE 2020 forenoon session. In a drained triaxial compression test, a sample of sand fails at a deviator stress of 150 kPa under confining pressure of 50 kPa. The angle of internal friction of the sample is. So this question is from the topic of triaxial compression test, shear strength of soil. So from drained triaxial compression test, we have a relationship between stresses on the failure plane, which is sigma 1 is equal to sigma 3 tan square 45 plus 5 by 2 plus 2c tan 45 plus 5 by 2. Here sigma 1 is equal to sigma 3 plus del sigma. Sigma 3 is the confining pressure which is acting on the soil sample from all around. Del sigma is the externally applied stress called deviator stress. So here in this question, the value of sigma 3 is given as 50 kilopascal and sigma 1 del sigma is given as 150 kilopascal. So we can find sigma 1. So the value of sigma 3 is 50 plus, and the value of del sigma is given in this question is 150 deviator stress. So we will get sigma 1 as 200 kilopascal. Now C is the cohesion, and since this in this question the sample is sand, so we can say the value of C will be 0. So the equation will be sigma 1 is equal to sigma 3 tan square 45 plus 5 by 2. Now putting all the values, sigma 1 is 200, just we have calculated. The value of sigma 3, that is confining pressure, is given in this question 50 tan square 45 plus 5 by 2. This 5 is angle of internal friction. Now this 50 and 200, this will be 4. So we can write tan 45 plus 5 by 2 is equal to this is tan squared, so root 4 is 2. Now 45 plus 5 by 2 will be tan inverse 2, and the value of tan inverse 2 is 63.44. Further, after calculation, we will get phi as 36.88 degree. So we can say the angle of internal friction phi will be 36.88 degree for this question. So the answer will be 36.88. Thank you.